G'day guys, just like to run you through this quick trade series trailer here that we've built for a agricultural machinery manufacturer. They'll be using it out in the field for servicing bigger, larger chaser bins and field bins. Let me just run you through the options that they've gone with. They've opted with the upgraded jockey wheel at the front here. They've upgraded the wheels and tyres from the 14-inch up to the 16-inch tyres. They've opted for the upgraded colour-coded dropsides. There's an aluminium dropside with the steel end caps. Normally come in raw aluminium, but we've powder coated them black. And they've gone with the ever popular front drawbar cabinet on the drawbar here to give them miles of storage for tools and equipment while they're still at the back free for their larger parts and whatnot. They've gone with the headboard option up the front here. You can also get the same in the mid and the back for the racks if you need to carry long stuff up on the top. So guys, if you're chasing a 3.5 ton, versatile, lightweight yet strong trailer, this is the perfect choice for you guys. So ATM 3,500 kilos, tear weight 1,100 kilos, giving you 2,400 kilos of payload. It's a perfect choice if you're hauling with Ford Rangers, Hiluxes, Land Cruisers and that lighter end of the ute range. So reach out to the team, happy to help you out.